Consider the following class for a car, and we have two instance variables declared as private. So these are the mileage and maximum speed of the car. And we have a constructor which has the same name as the class, which is parameterized. So it takes in a mileage and a maximum speed and sets those values for the instance variables using the this keyword. And we have an accessor method to get the maximum speed for this object. Now, given the following method for selecting a car, which is declared in another class, which implementation is valid to replace this part of the method with unknown code? So for part A, the class is instantiated to create a new car object which has a mileage and a maximum speed. So therefore this constructor will be invoked. And then we call the update maximum speed method. So this method does not exist in the class, and also there's no semicolon at the end of this line of code. So the code in part A is invalid. Now in part B, we create a new car object with a mileage and maximum speed, but that's all this code does. So it does not have any functionality to select the car. So therefore this code is also not adequate. Now in part C, we create a new car object, and then we check if the car's mileage is less than 100,000, and if that's true, good car is output to the screen. So while this code appears to have the functionality that's required, the mileage instance variable is declared as private. So it cannot be accessed by this method, which is declared in another class. And therefore this code is also invalid. So to make this code valid, you'd need an accessor method, similar to get maximum speed, to return the mileage of the car, and then we can use this accessor method to check if the mileage is less than 100,000.